As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So, I'm trying to decide between the Charbroil Classic 2-burner and the Weber Q2200 grill. What's the deal?
Okay, both are propane grills, but they have some key differences. The Charbroil is definitely the budget-friendly option, usually around $139.
Good to know. What about the cooking space?
Both have roughly the same cooking area, around 280 square inches, enough for a small family cookout. But the Charbroil has a side burner.
Oh, that's interesting. What's the BTU on each of them?
The Charbroil boasts 20,000 BTUs, plus another 8,000 for the side burner, whereas the Weber Q2200 has 12,000 BTU, so Charbroil might heat up faster.
Okay, so the Charbroil is hotter. But what about build quality?
That's where Weber usually shines. The Q2200 has porcelain enameled, cast iron cooking grates, which are great for heat retention and searing. The Charbroil has porcelain-coated wire grates, which are more economical to replace. The Weber is made of aluminum and stainless steel, promising durability.
Durability is important. What about size and portability?
The Weber is slightly larger and heavier, at 42.5 pounds compared to the Charbroil's 37.5 pounds. But the Weber has folding side tables, which is a nice feature for prep space.
Side tables are handy. Any other things to consider?
The Weber has electronic ignition and a built-in thermometer, which is super useful for temperature control. The Charbroil, you'd have to rely on the control knobs. Also, the Weber is often praised for its even heat distribution.
So the Weber is better quality, even heating, and has the thermometer. The Charbroil is cheaper, has a side burner, and more BTUs. Sounds like it comes down to budget and what features I value most.
Exactly. If you want a reliable, long-lasting grill and don't mind spending a bit more, the Weber is a solid choice. If you're on a budget and want that extra side burner, the Charbroil is a good option. Just be aware that some users reported assembly difficulty and some concerns about heat consistency.
Okay, that is really helpful, thanks. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.